Buddy, today I'm going to be doing a YouTube video on Fidget Cubes and how they look and what they're used for pretty much. And the box is over here, where it comes inside. And so let's get straight to the cubes. Here's the first cube that I have. It's cool. So this is a joystick, and it works by you just like pushing it everywhere. And this, just spin it in circles. But there's something weird about this part. Like, these don't make noise. And how come these do? Okay. They don't make any noise, and this is just to spin around. So these don't make noise for some reason, but these do. And for this, you just spin it around and around, and this, you just like move it and it makes noise. If you love like having light switches and having like just keep on flicking them and nobody likes it, just use this one because you just do it. And then if you love feeling smooth things, you just use this because in the middle it's smooth. And then here's this one, a pink one and white. So there's different colors that we have. We have green, black, yellow, not yellow, sorry, pink and white, and then gray and black. And pretty much all of these do the same thing, and there's nothing different about them. So, and I forgot to mention about the instructions, they're right here, because it's like this, how to use the instructions. And then that's pretty much it for how a Fidget Cube works. There's nothing else about it, and nothing, there's really nothing else. There's only a little, not a little bit, but like some things on here that are cool and are not cool. There's like 5, I think. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 6 of like things you could use on here. The smooth part, the flicking, the spinning, the joystick, the buttons, and I don't know what this is called. It's like spinning a ball and rotating these. Same thing with this joystick flick, like the switch, and then the spinny thing, the I forgot, buttons and smooth part, and same thing the ball with the moving thingamajiggies, and same thing on this one's joystick, moving ball thingamajiggy, not ball thing, like spinny thingamajiggy, flick, the flicking thingamajiggy, and then the buttons, and the ball, and the thing, and this. I think like some of these get me so mesmerizing into them. Like they just make me hypnotized. Some of them, like if I keep on pressing the same buttons, I just can't stop doing it. Like I'm still doing it. I can't stop. And same thing with the joystick, like spinning it around and around and around. Gets me hypnotized. So I think that's all the things that Fidget Cubes could do. So subscribe and leave a like and comment down below. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.